If we can see him. There's Jesse. And there's Carmen. He's a waving. They want to play for the camera. Here's buddy Jesse. Alright, yay! I don't know what that is they're throwing, but it looks like Courtney's stuffed animal. Boop. Miles has got the cord. Yep, Courtney's stuffed animal. Kids will find the darndest things to play with, huh? I think Carl looks like he has his pajama shirt on today. I guess that's what he wore to school. Duh. Well, maybe not. Carmen's buddy Jesse. Okay, and that is enough of that. Yeah.